Hello and welcome to Haworth. We are going to find the Brontë Waterfall. It's bucketing down out there. Let's get wet. What a delightful day. This is the Penistone Hill Country Park car park. Free, but it's got no toilets. What a crazy idea it was to attempt this one today. But maybe it's always like this out on the moors of Haworth. And perhaps I'll be inspired to write a novel. I believe that there is Lower Lathe Reservoir. Don't think anybody swims in that one. Not that I'm aware of. But I think the other side of that hill over there is Penistone Reservoir, where people do swim. Not sure I'll be checking that out today. 1.5 miles. Yeah, we can do that in the rain. And Haworth is only about 15 minutes away from Bingley, where I'll be going to see my parents and eat lots of food later. This is more of a river than a path. The sheep don't mind. This is a nice easy path, just a gentle slope, not too much up. I like it. I think it's Sunday the 19th of November today. It's about 12 degrees and heavy rain. But I've had a very stressful week, so I really needed to see a waterfall today. This path is lovely and quiet today. I've only passed 2 other people. I wonder why. How am I going to get round this river? Wow. Little tiny waterfall. Oh, person in the distance. Crazy person. I don't mind the rain, but this wind is relentless. These are wild and windy moors indeed. Wow. It's very muddy. Can I swim in it? No. This one is definitely not for swimming in. It is quite pretty though. I think this is about as high as I can go in these conditions. I'm not going to try and scramble up there in the mud. Can't quite see the top of it from here. That probably didn't help. It looks like it flattens out up there, so I don't think it's worth risking breaking my neck scrambling up there. Although I bet it could be done in dry conditions. In fact, you could probably just climb up the waterfall itself. It's not big. Nice and sheltered from the wind in here though. How lovely. There you go, you can see the top of it a little bit better from here. In fact, this is probably the best time of year to come to see this one. You might not get such a good view in spring and summer. That is a cute little bridge. if only it was a little bit deeper. Might be nice to paddle here in the summer though. Little stone for leaning against in writing your next novel. I like how I've got the place all to myself. There is no one here. Just me. I can't remember what this beck is called. I should probably look it up. I'll put it on the screen now. Haworth Beck or something probably, who knows. Very pretty. And that rain is really picking up again now. I guess that up there is the path to Top Withens, if you want to see the ruins of a farmhouse that inspired Wuthering Heights. I do not. At least not in this weather. Maybe another day. I am only here for some waterfall action today. Squelchy, squelchy. I think it was another mile up to Top Withens from here. And I'm guessing the clue's in the name, that there's a lot of up involved. Well, I think this might be the end of the line for me. Oh, shall we push on a little bit? There's a bit of a path here. Let's just see what's up here. Yeah, this is the end of the line for me. I'm not scrambling up there in these conditions. That is a very narrow path. Looks like it flattens out a bit up there anyway. This will do. No scary paths today. Thank you. Quite a nice view. Lovely colours. I highly recommend this rock for sitting on and eating your lunch. It has a lovely view of the waterfalls. And I picked up some litter as well, so I've done good here. I wonder how far this path goes. Oh, not that far for me. And there's a wall down there. End of the line. It was an interesting idea though. If I could have followed this beck all the way back to the reservoir and cut out the windy moors, the wild and windy moors, that would have been great. But no, more time it is. Well, I've been pleasantly surprised by this waterfall. Some people say it's a bit rubbish. And maybe it is in the summer. But if you come after lots and lots of rain, I think it's quite cute. That's quite a view in the rain. I was planning on going back via Chelodine to have a little swim, but I am absolutely soaked. And my clothes are soaked. Everything is soaked. So I think I will give it a miss. This £10 Asda coat is surprisingly not very waterproof. I should have put my anorak on over the top.